Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Tuesday evening, a little after 9:30. Looking back at today's high temps, cool, topping out in the lower 40s. Clouds are pretty stubborn today. Had a little bit of sunshine, but the clouds winning out, but staying dry. Still holding on to clouds as of this recording, as of a little after 9:30 on this Tuesday night. I got a better chance for some sunshine next couple of days, but it will turn a little colder. Nothing really extreme. So we'll stay dry during the overnight, and we'll call it seasonably chilly midweek, both Wednesday and Thursday. Your high temps, mid and upper 30s, and nights are cold, as you would expect. Weekend storm. Still a lot of uncertainty with this. We're leaning towards something on Saturday night, an offshore storm. A lot of the computer guidance that we look at is indicating a storm offshore, but how close to the New England coastline or how far away, well, obviously is going to dictate, precipitation type, amounts, wind, and things like that. So, we'll certainly have a better handle on this in the next couple of days, and certainly by tomorrow, I would think. But, for now, we're still going to keep the chance for some rain and snow in the forecast for part of Saturday. In the meantime, across New England, boy, it's pretty quiet. Despite the cloud cover, not much in the way of precipitation. You've got some snow showers and flurries. Meanwhile, here's the wider view. Now, this system across the southern plains right here, this is not the weekend storm. In fact, this is going to scoot due east and out to sea well to our south, so that is not a factor. In fact, the pieces that we're watching, at least one of them, as far as the potential weekend storm, well, you see this coming on shore across the Pacific Northwest. And this is going to drop down across the country, travel right through here, and then try to organize with another piece of energy across the upper Great Lakes. And just how it all phases or materializes over here will dictate just what happens off our coastline. So bottom line, one of the important pieces of this puzzle for the weekend is, 3,000 miles away. So let's give this another day, but, something that's obviously worth watching here. In the meantime, that southern plain system, look at it, scooting across Florida, Georgia, and out to sea. So we continue to stay dry here in the Northeast. We'll get in real close. Take a look here, starting off this evening and overnight. It's decreasing clouds, increasing sunshine tomorrow morning. This is 7 a.m. We're actually starting off in the mid to upper 20s, so a chilly start. And then here we are in the afternoon. Certainly more sunshine than what we had today. A little cooler, though, than today. But, these numbers, these temperatures, upper 30s, is pretty much where we should be for this time of year. This is 6 o'clock in the evening. Evening commute looks dry, clear. Temps in the upper 20s to low 30s. And then later Wednesday night at 11 o'clock, we're clear. Temps around 25. So for this evening, of course, the clouds will be decreasing, even though we have them right now. And here we are Wednesday morning, 6 a.m., 27. By 10 o'clock in the morning, we're up to 32. And we're thinking around 37, 38, 39 tops. On your Wednesday afternoon, some sunshine, cooling back down to 32 by 6 o'clock in the evening. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. Thursday is a chilly day, mid-30s, a good deal of sunshine, 33 to 36, probably the coldest day of the week. And that's not saying much. It can get a lot colder than that, obviously, this time of year. Friday's a smidge milder after a cold start. And then watching Saturday with some interest here. Temps in the upper 30s. Just how close is this red L, this coastal storm? Actually, latest guidance has it a little further offshore, which would mean just nothing more than nuisance kind of precipitation. But if it's a little stronger, a little closer, then it would mean more in the way of rain, some snow, and some wind. There's not a lot of cold air to work with. So this is not even though we're forecasting snow and rain, it's not a slam dunk as far as this is an all snow situation, but it is something that we're going to watch closely. So in the meantime, we are dry now through at least Friday, and then all eyes on how it plays out for the weekend. So stay tuned for the forecast. All right, that's the latest update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.